True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah man, so I don't know what spot me there. There one place with them call name Bluefields in the Westmoreland area. A lot of people from all about used to come at the beach. St. Elizabeth, Hanover, them place there. So I giving an update on the place, and when we visit this location today, we never really know say this place, this beach was damaged. Yeah man, so I'm giving a tour. So if you used to visit this beach before and you saw me a talk about, just leave in the comment section if you know the area. Yeah man, it was, them places used to pretty nice. So just so I go and enjoy the tour. Just your tour guide Fire Reid. Just update me and give you a beautiful Jamaica, you know? One love and one heart, people. So see what I go on now. Look for me and talk about my people. Take a good look and see what I go on. A Bluefields me there. Yeah man, place. Show no what I go on. But them places are a beer sun. Beer sun used to there them places. Beer sun. See? Rocks. So the most way me I talk about. And the most way me I talk about place now, in a beautiful like before. But we still keep on go down and see if there's a better area. And show you what I go and see way. As we say, Jamaica, my place, and I'll update. I tell everybody what I go on. And show them what I go on in the Bluefields area, you know. Now for watching the step, you know. So me I talk about there. Go straight back. Them places used to be bare sand, pretty. But a lot of changes, you see it? So if you remember that step here, you used to walk come down on that step here and come down on a beautiful sand. You used to have some stones still, but not like what I see right now. So see beautiful. See step here. You used to come down that step here. Then we come from beautiful sand. You see it, a lot of changes. People saw me talk about here. So you have to make a good walk on the beach to get a good area where you can enjoy the beach. Not like before, you used to have the whole beach where you can enjoy, but a base stone, as you can see, and base sea moss. But that area don't look too bad still, you know. So I'm going to show you how I go on the same way. So yeah man, and that's what I talk about again. So at least you know have an understanding of what take place in that area. So anyone I watch from, just like up the video, free of cost. Yeah man, like up the video. Yes, I'm talking to you. Yeah man, we don't see how watch for your smartphone, your big screen TV, or your tablet. So just like up the video man, free of cost, you know. Showing you all about our Jamaica updates, places, where to go, when to go. If you understand what I say, you know. And just so the thing set. So to enjoy the beautiful island, Jamaica, you know.
Walang sila bigay. Ibig kaya hanggang.